So we're right in the middle of open house season, and I'm going to tell you about another one. There's an open house here happening at Dugard in Hove on the 17th and 18th of October. Dugard will have on show a vast variety of machine tools, including this one behind me here, which is a SMEC SL 5500M turn-in centre. This is a huge heavy-duty machine. It won't be the only turn-in centre on display here as well. There'll be a range of sliding head lathes, there'll be a range of VMCs, and there'll also be this 5-axis, which is an X5 800. This is a gantry type 5-axis machining centre. This has an 18,000 Kessler spindle. You'll see the type of application on the table at the moment that this will be showing and demonstrating at the open house. Now, it's not just about 5-axis milling. There'll be VMCs here. There'll be their extra performance range. There'll be their eco range. Loads and loads to see on the 17th and 18th of October. Now, with machines like this, how about loading them? What about automation? So there's cobots here. These are brand new from Dugard. The first time they can be seen here in Hove will be at the open house on the 17th and the 18th. They're Hanwha cobots. Now, Hanwha also makes sliding head lathes. They'll be here too. But this is brilliant. What a unit. This is a total universal unit. You can move this around your machine shop. You can take it from one machine to another. You can load and unload your components easily and safely. The beauty of this is when I touch it, or if it hits me, it will stop. And if I want to continue, I can just press it again. Now, I'm reliably told this is dead simple to program. It works in conjunction with Fanuc, Heidenhain, Siemens control, completely compatible. You need to come to Dugard's open house on the 17th and the 18th of October, not just to talk about the machine tools that they supply here very successfully, but also about this Industry 4 related automation Hanwha cobot. There's loads to see. I keep saying it, but I'm going to say it again. The 17th and the 18th of October here in Hove. They've got a curry night on the Thursday night as well, so you can attend either of those days. Register on their website, dugard.com.